If you've got lots of pairs of these, then I've got a storage solution for you coming up. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, with the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. Yes, I have a shoe fetish. I love me some shoes. Anyway, up until this point, I've had to always store my shoes in bags under my bed. Now I've gotten myself a walk-in closet, but it still came to be a question of how am I going to store all of these shoes? Well, let me show you the solution I found. I chose the ClosetMaid Stackable Storage Organizer. This one has 25 cubes, so it can hold lots of pairs of shoes, and I used 3 of them to create a wall of shoes. Here's what you need to build this storage unit: a drill or screwdriver and a hammer. You'll also need the instructions and the parts to the organizer. Assembly is easy. Just pay attention to the finished and unfinished edges in the diagrams of the instructions. Arrange pieces so all finished edges are facing the same way. You'll screw together the pieces and hammer the back panel. The cubbies are assembled with cross slats. Make sure the finished edges again face out. So of course, you might want to have them all go the same way to keep it a little bit more organized. You can also color code it if you want, but by flats, sneakers, boots, lower heels, bigger heels, and then all summer stuff over here. I removed a shelf in part of the storage unit so I can house my bigger boots here. So this is my UGG area, and I love how it just easily holds them all together. My bigger boots, however, still have to go underneath my bed because that's the only place I can store them now. You've seen a sneak peek of my closet. Now I want to know from you, how do you store your shoes? Tell me in the comment section below. Also, go check out this organizing video next, and don't forget to visit my website at ToriToth.com for all of our home staging, decorating, and organizing tips. Until next time, happy organizing!